Today we're making the viral Japanese fruit sandos, a recipe that's surprisingly easy and approved by multiple taste testers. I'm starting off by washing and prepping all of my fruit. I decided to go with strawberries, oranges, and kiwis today, but you can use the fruits of your choice. And for the strawberries, I'm pitting them so that they look kind of like hearts, and also cut the oranges and kiwis so that they would fit nicely. Moving on to the whipped cream, this is a very simple recipe. Just use heavy whipping cream and some sugar and add it to an electric mixer until stiff peaks. Now let's make the sandwiches. I'm using Japanese milk bread and cutting off all the crusts and then going ahead and starting to assemble. I ended up putting the whipped cream inside piping bag to make it easier to fill up all these crevices, and also place the fruit depending on how you want it to look when it's cut. I used saran wrap to secure everything and mark down the line that I want to cut on. I did the same thing for the strawberry sandwich, laid down my saran wrap, filled in all the crevices, and then marked a line of where I wanted to cut it. And for this last bit, I ended up making a little bit of extra, so I made a matcha strawberry sandwich as well. I left my sandwiches in the fridge overnight for the best results, and look at this finished product. So now you know that